The glorious Quran speaks about the fifth pillar, that is Hajj. It is compulsory for every adult Muslim who has health and has the economic means that at least once in his lifetime he should perform Hajj, the pilgrimage, in the month of Hajj from 8th to the 13th of Zil-Hijjah, and travel to the city of Makkah, the state of Makkah, Mina, Arafah, Muzdalifah, back to Mina and Makkah in these 6 days from 8th to the 13th of Zil-Hijjah. There's a full surah by the name Surah Hajj, chapter 22 in the Quran. And this Hajj is the biggest annual gathering in the world, where more than 4 million people gather from different parts of the world. From USA, from Canada, from UK, from Pakistan, from India, from Saudi Arabia, from Nigeria, from Ghana, from different parts of the world. And the men, they are dressed in 2 pieces of unsewn cloth. You cannot identify the person next to you whether he is a king or a pauper. All equal in the sight of Allah. Labbaik, Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik, Allahumma labbaik. Here I am, O my Lord, at your service. It is the best example of universal brotherhood in the world. Whether black or white, yellow or brown, 2 pieces of unsewn cloth, all equal in the sight of Allah.